Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Code. My name is Ashish Tripathi. So in the last program, we have tried to understand various data types and its importance. Now what I am going to do, we are going to do a little of hands-on. We are going to write simple logics. And my intention would be to show you how to write simple programs and how to take inputs from the user. So far we have been printing just hello world and we had seen the data types. Now I am going to write a program where we will calculate area of a rectangle. So very first thing what I'll do, very first code what I'm going to write, there I'll not take input from the user. Instead, I'll hard code the values in my program itself. And in another program, what I'll do, I'll try to take inputs from the user rather than hard coding. So there is difference. So that's what I'm trying to explain. One place I'm hard coding and another time I'm just taking inputs from the user. So let me just erase everything. And it's very simple program. What I'm going to write, I'm going to calculate area of a rectangle. So you all know area of a rectangle is nothing but L into B. So I'll take one variable int a, my rectangle is always integer, consider say 10 centimeter. Int b is say 5 centimeter, and int say r is a into b. Sorry, I made a mistake, I should have taken it L, so I'll make it L. So my area of rectangle has been calculated programmatically. Just what I need to do, I need to do console.writeLine r. So let's check if it is calculating the area. So yes, it is doing. What I'll do, I'll make it a little beautiful by writing like this. Say dollar and area of the rectangle is say r sq centimeter. So let's see how it looks. So it says area of the rectangle is 50 square centimeter. So we made it little beautiful. And as I said, this time I have hard coded my value of L and B. But there could be a requirement where you want your users to enter and then calculate the area. So now we are going to see that one. So very first thing what I'll do, I'll just do console.writeLine, and here enter the value of L, and then I need to read the value, read line, and this value which is returned from the console is written in string variable. So I'll say strl and this one. And here instead of write line, I will use write, because write line just shifts the control on the next line of the console that I do not want. I wanted to input on in the same line. Here you might be seeing one green color underline. That is a kind of warning it gives. It says because read line gives a nullable value. So it's not mandatory for the user to enter. He might enter without entering anything. He might hit enter key without entering any value. That's what it says. So if I just put a question mark, then that message goes, warning message. Similarly, value of b is b. So now we have value of L and B in the form of string, not in the form of int. And in the last video, I had promised I will tell you the type casting between one data type to another. So my values are into string, but I need it into integer in order to do the calculation. So I need to do convert dot to int 32 and strl, and now my length which was in string variable has been converted. Now my b which was in string variable has been converted to int, and then my same lines of code will start working. So now I have got L and B, and this time I have taken input from my user. Let's see if it works. So enter the value of L, we will enter same 10, we will enter 5. So it says area of the rectangle is 50 square centimeter. So we have seen both. One, we had hard coded the value. Another, we took the input from the user interface. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. And but just one last thing, if you have still not subscribed the channel, please do that, because we are going to have so much of wonderful content like this. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.